Welcome to Liver Health Plus, your reliable companion for managing liver wellness. This app is designed to simplify your journey. You can set up medication reminders so you never miss an important dose. Appointments and schedules are all in one place, helping you stay organized. With personalized nutrition tools, you'll receive guidance tailored to your liver health needs, including meal planning and grocery support to make healthier choices easier. Liver Health Plus also allows you to log your weight and monitor changes over time. Risk calculators and educational resources provide insights that empower you to make informed decisions. Every feature is built with care to give you confidence in managing your health. Secure, practical, and focused on you. Liver Health Plus, where better liver care begins with you. There are additional sections in which users can monitor the trends of their weight management journey, no more, no less. Simple health calculators with feedbacks are also presented. In addition, quick access buttons are presented throughout the app for ease of navigation. There is something for the user to do every day. For example, check in how you feel, and it might provide some feedback that might require an action from the user with the sole aim to reduce the chance of liver failure. So, what are you waiting for? You can find Liver Health Plus on Google or Apple Store and start your journey today. Remember that before liver disease starts, your liver would have started speaking to you in numbers. Liver blood tests are the first evidence of something not going right. If you wait for symptoms to know what might be going wrong, that may not be the right step. Let's work together to prevent liver disease, the most common cause of chronic disease deaths globally.